Easy setup and control of addressable LED with simple components. For this setup we need ESP32. I'm going to use ESP32 C3, but if you want brighter solution, better to get bigger control. Next is addressable LED strip. I'm going to use SK6812 5-meter strip with 60 LEDs per meter. USB cable depends on your plate and power supply to power this setup properly. Now let's wire LED to plate. Usually strips are marked what line are responsible for. Signal line I am going to connect to pin 7. Now plug your board to your computer. Go to install.wled.me. Select latest release. Select plain and press install. If you don't see your plate on list, simply plug and unplug board and it should appear after few attempts. I have already installed WLED previously, so I can update. But if you're installing first time, it should start installing after you pressed device, after you choose it. Now when firmware installed, I can connect and control it using phone or any device which can connect to Wi-Fi. Now let's connect to controller. First, open Wi-Fi settings and find variant with WLED and connect to it. For password, type all lowercase WLED 1234. In Notifications tab, select Sign in to Wi-Fi network. On page, click to the controls, go to Config, then LED Preferences. Scroll to max current and type 1000 mA or lower. Lower on drop-down list, you can select type of LED. I'm using SK6812 and I can choose this variant, but preselected VS281X is fine. For data G pin, type your pin. In my case, it's number 7. We can make it brighter, and for this we need to connect LED to power supply. I'm going to connect supply using DC connector. With power supply you can increase current in config for LED. Depending on your board and strip, you can type up to 7000 mA. Unfortunately, with my config, I can't use more current, so I'm going to use safe variant of 2000 mA. And this clip demonstrates what happens if you are using too much current. Controllers can't handle that much and cuts power.